Hello friends, I am Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, today we are at a site where slab casting will be going on. So let us check how they have given the reinforcement of slab. As you can see, this slab, this end will be your continuous end and this end will be your discontinuous end, because you can see there is a sunken slab here which can be given for toilet purpose. You can see that here is a sunken slab and there also 2, 3. So they have given this sunken slab for toilet purpose. So the slab will be discontinuous here. Now let us have a look at the bent up bars. You can see these bent up bars. You can see these bars have been bent up. So these bent up bars are bent up at a distance of 0.3 L from the continuous end and 0.1 L from the discontinuous end, where L is the center to center distance between the span. So according to the codes, this must be your 0.1 L, and from the continuous end this must be 0.3 L, this one. So now let us have a look at some other spans. You can also see that here this is a beam and this is the beam column junction. They have not done the anchoring of bars properly. As you can see that this is another span where both ends are discontinuous. So both ends must be having 0.1 L length. This length must be 0.1 L and this length must also be 0.1 L. If they have bent up this bar, there are two kinds of reinforcement which you can provide in slab, with or without bent up. They have used with bent up type of reinforcement. You can see this is the bent up. This is 0.1 L from here, and from here also it is 0.1 L. Now let us have a look at some other spans. As you can see that this span, from this end it is discontinuous and from that end it is continuous. So from that end it must be 0.3 L and from this end it must be 0.1 L. Now let us go close and have a look here. So 10 mm dia bars have been used from both ends. Now at the continuous end it is 0.3 L. It is 0.3 L from this side also and 0.3 L from that side also. So we have to give a lap of 0.3 L on both sides for the continuous beam. 10 mm dia bars have been used, and as you can see, the conduits for electrical works have also been given. You can give a fan point here, ceiling fan point, and these are the conduits for the electrical works. The works are going on actually. After the works are completed, then they will cast the slab. So this was a site where we have shown the reinforcements of a slab. If you have any other questions or queries which you had observed in this site, please comment below.